In the small town of Everhill, a boy named Daniel walked to school every morning. He was 12 years old. Kind and curious. He lived with his mother and younger sister in a small house near the bakery. Daniel's family didn't have much money, but they had love, and that was more important than anything else. One sunny morning, as Daniel walked to school, he saw something shiny near a bush on the roadside. Curious, he stepped closer. It was a brown leather bag. He looked around. No one was nearby. He opened the bag carefully. Inside, he found a wallet, some papers, and a bunch of cash, more than he had ever seen in his life. His heart started to race. Wow! He whispered. This could help Mom so much. But then he paused. Should I keep it? He thought. Or should I find the owner? Daniel zipped up the bag and held it close. He didn't know what to do. His feet took him to school. But his mind was full of questions. At school, Daniel tried to focus in class. But he couldn't stop thinking about the bag. His friend Malik noticed and whispered. Hey! What's wrong? Daniel showed him the bag during break. I found this near the road this morning. Malik's eyes grew wide. Are you serious? That's a lot of money. I know, Daniel replied. But I don't know if I should keep it. Malik leaned closer. If no one saw you pick it up, you could keep it. It's like winning the lottery. Daniel didn't respond. His chest felt tight. That night at home, Daniel looked at his mother, who was sewing clothes for people in the neighborhood. Her hands were tired, but she smiled at him as she worked. His sister, Lily, sat on the floor doing her homework. Their old lamp flickered beside her. The money in the bag could fix the lamp, buy clothes, maybe even pay for a better school. But something inside Daniel told him that keeping the money wasn't right. The next morning, Daniel made a decision. He would take the bag to the police station. His heart beat fast as he entered the building. A tall officer looked up and smiled. "Can I help you, son?" "I found this bag yesterday," Daniel said, holding it out. "It's not mine. I thought maybe someone lost it." The officer opened the bag and looked inside. His eyes widened slightly. "This is very honest of you," he said. "Not many people would return this." Daniel nodded. "I thought about keeping it. But I think doing the right thing is more important." The officer patted his shoulder. "You made a wise choice." 2 days later, something unexpected happened. As Daniel returned home from school, he saw a car parked outside their house. A man in a suit stood at the door talking to his mother. Daniel walked closer, and the man smiled. "Are you Daniel?" he asked. "Yes," Daniel replied, confused. "I'm Mr. Harris. That bag you found, it was mine. It had very important documents and money for my company." "Oh," Daniel said. "I'm glad you got it back." Mr. Harris looked impressed. "The police told me what you did. I wanted to thank you personally." He handed Daniel a small envelope. Inside was a note and a check. The note read, "Dear Daniel, thank you for your honesty. You could have kept the bag, but you chose to do the right thing. This reward is not just for returning my bag, but for showing great character. Mr. Harris." Daniel looked at the check. It was enough to help his mother pay the rent for a year. Tears filled his mother's eyes as she hugged him. "I'm so proud of you." Daniel felt proud too. Not because of the money, but because of the choice he had made. When Daniel returned to school, news of his honest act had already spread. His teacher, Mrs. Rose, asked him to share the story during morning assembly. As Daniel stood on the stage, he felt nervous. But then he looked at his friends and classmates, and spoke clearly. I found a bag full of money. I wanted to keep it. But I remembered something my mom always says, do what's right. Even when no one is watching. So I returned it. And I'm glad I did. Everyone clapped. Some students looked at him with new respect. Even Malik came over later and said, "You did the right thing." Man. Over the next few weeks, Daniel noticed something strange. People in the neighborhood started being more honest. A shopkeeper returned extra change to a customer. A boy brought back a lost phone. Even kids at school started turning in things they found. Daniel's simple act had inspired others. One evening, his mother smiled and said, "You're changing the world in your own way." Daniel laughed. "I didn't mean to. But sometimes," she said, "we teach others just by living the right way." Months passed. Mr. Harris continued to visit Daniel's family. He offered Daniel's mother a job as a seamstress for his company's uniforms. Their home improved. And so did their lives. One Saturday, Mr. Harris invited Daniel to his office. "I want to start a program to teach young people about honesty. Will you help me?" Daniel's eyes widened. "Me?" "Yes. You're the perfect example." And just like that, Daniel became part of something bigger than himself. A movement that would help others choose honesty. Years later, Daniel started a YouTube channel where he shared real-life stories to help people learn English and life values like honesty, kindness, and courage. In one video, he told the story of the bag. Viewers from all over the world left comments. "This helped me learn English and become more honest. Thank you." "Daniel, your story made me think differently. Now I want to be a better person." 2. Daniel smiled each time he read the comments. His story was still making a difference. In the end, Daniel learned that honesty doesn't always give you rewards right away. But it gives you something much more important. Respect, peace, and a clean heart. he often told his viewers. Honesty is a light. When you carry it, others can see better too. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more simple English through powerful stories, don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment. And subscribe to TalesFluency. New stories drop every day to help you grow in English and in life. Vocabulary highlights. Honesty, telling the truth. Not lying or stealing. Decision, a choice you make after thinking. Reward, something given in return for a good deed. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Tempting, something that makes you want to do it, even if it's not right. Character, the way someone thinks, feels, and behaves. Responsibility, doing what you are supposed to do. Inspire, to make someone want to do something good. Respect, thinking highly of someone for what they do. Peace, a feeling of calm and doing the right thing.